seat and we're out in the rain again. Yeah, you seen that video of when we were in the forest. Now I'm at my grandma's house.
Yep.
And I really like riding this in the rain. I never rided it, but I just rided it. So this is how you ride in the rain. It might take a little while to go around.
Okay.
So here we go. And here comes the bit. Okay, you better look that way because it's going to be awesome.
Okay. Okay.